Protest at British High Commission ahead of the arrival of Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. The Advocates Network is currently staging a demonstration at the British High Commission in Kingston, calling for an apology from the British monarchy and reparations for slavery. The action comes just mere hours before the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge arrive at the Norman Manley International Airport. They are expected to arrive at 6:20 this afternoon. Our reporter Kirk Wright is at the British High Commission and now reports.
Thank you very much. I'm here at the British Council and let me take a look at the crowd. The crowd has grown. They started somewhere about 10:30 and from that the crowd has just been growing. The police have been here from before 10 o'clock because I came here about around that time. And we have Jarari, he's here. He's the... remind us who you are again, sir?
I'm the Vice President of the UNIA, the Universal Negro Improvement Association, founded by Marcus Mosiah Garvey in 1914.
Tell us, why do you think it was important for you to be here this morning?
It was terribly important for us to be here, all of us, and wish more could be here, because we are representing a principle that will not go away until the British people have taken recognition of the need to give us reparation, and until our leaders recognize that we don't need to be associated in any colonial manner to the British government or the Queen of England. That's why I'm here, sir, to show the world and to help my brothers and sisters who are here, demonstrating the fact that we need to sever all colonial ties with Britain and all oppressive countries on earth.
You said something about apology earlier this morning.
Yes, apology is important, but apology without reparation is garbage. So if you want to do something good, dump the apology and give me some reparations. And I don't mean give me a ton load of money. I mean fix up my country, fix up the other countries in the world. Schools, hospitals, roads. Children who are underprivileged can't go to school. Feed them. Children who can't dress themselves, clothe them.
What do you think about the government welcoming the royals here?
I believe that the government is totally misguided. I saw where Mr. Andrew Holness went to England and accepted the highest award, the Privy Council Award from the Queen of England at a time when every other country in the Caribbean is getting ready to dump the Queen and to dump the control of the British over Jamaica. Our Prime Minister went there with his wife, who, by the way, she's a very dark complexion. He should have gone there demanding reparations on the part of himself, his wife, and his children.
Thank you very much, sir. There you've had it. Now the crowd is just growing out here, and we'll be here to monitor what happens and keep you up to date.
Royal person could be coming here with no concern, no remorse in their heart, nothing at all to say, I am sorry, or please forgive me, or see a school here, see a hospital here, see some reparations money here, nothing at all. They have this what they call gentry privilege, that they feel that because they were born of the womb of Eliza Witch of England, that they can just walk up in here anytime they feel like it and we must just lay a red carpet for them. Those days are over. I wish the whole of Jamaica would be here to protest, and we need to be here. Yes, of course, people are in their jobs and can't leave. I'm here to represent my ancestors. I'm here to represent all those who can't be represented. I'm here to represent all those who died in slavery and got murdered because of white people's oppression. I'm here to represent my family in the future. When I'm dead and gone, there are Jamaicans going to be here and Africans going to be here who need to understand we have to maintain our dignity and our self-respect. We cannot continue to allow white people to dominate us, do all manner of evil to us, and we sit back and pretend that it's not happening. I've seen our Prime Minister, who I've lost respect for, go to England and get a Queen's Council Award at a time when Jamaica is supposed to be leaving out of this madness, this colonial domination, at a time in which we kicking the Queen and our people out of our country, dumping the Governor General and all these people, all these colonial trappings, we to get rid of them. And at this time I see my Prime Minister going to England to go and accept the Queen's Council Award. I can't tell you how disgusted and ashamed I was to see that man do that. You know, and that is the reason why I'm here today, to condemn those of us black people who refuse to stand up for our rights, who refuse to denounce European colonization, who refuse to come from under this shackle of slavery. I'm here to tell Jamaican people, get up off your butts and stand up and for your rights. Bob Marley taught us, Marcus Garvey taught us, and they better believe if Paul Bogle didn't get up and fight, we would not be here talking right now, all this nice talk on TV and all these things. So if we don't stand up for our rights as black people, if we don't stand up against brutality, colonialism, domination, we're going to always be under the foot of the colonial master. The Queen has been in office for 70 years, and there's no indication that she plans to apologize. There's no indication that these European people plan to pay us reparations. And I want to tell you something. If we don't get up and demand it, we will never get it. And that's why I'm here today, to respect and to show my appreciation for my ancestors, and to stand up and fight for future generations and all of those brothers who couldn't make it here tonight.
Xaymaca, unity, them if you know a straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.